हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द पैरेलल वर्ल्ड। आज हम बायो प्रिंटिंग के बारे में बात करेंगे, एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी दैट विल मेक आर्टिफिशियल ह्यूमन ऑर्गन्स। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। Before jumping into bioprinting, let's understand how a printer works. In 2D, a printer prints line by line, and in 3D, a 3D printer prints layer by layer. What is this layer by layer printing? Let us have a look at that. A 3D design is created in computer, and that design is divided into different layers of maximum thickness 0.5 mm. The division of layer can be automatic by 3D printer, or you can divide it manually. Now the question may arise that if we are having several manufacturing techniques, then why we are using 3D printing? Since 3D printing prints layer by layer, so it can generate objects with complex geometry in no time. So the researchers thought to utilize this feature of layer by layer designing in order to generate artificial organs, because organs have complex geometries and shapes like human heart. But wait, is this sufficient to generate artificial organ? No. The artificial organ must be created with material that can withstand human blood and human conditions, that can also absorb nutrients and have growth. The material used in the 3D printer cartridge is known as bioink. This bioink is a matrix of living cells, growth factor enzymes, hydrogels and some other polymers in a correct ratio. Later on, this matrix is used to generate artificial tissues. These tissues look exactly the same as human tissue. Not only tissues, scientists are able to generate matrix that is used to create cartilages and bones, which is useful in treating bone fractures. How cool is that? We don't have to wait for months in case of any bone fracture, or we don't have to search for any organ donors in case of organ failure, or we don't have to rely on animals in case of any vaccine testing or medicine testing. With this technology, not only we can generate artificial organs, but also we can treat the wear and tear in muscles and tissues of human organs. Although this technology is under development and we will be getting these things in near future, till then we have to wait. So guys, if you find these things informative, do hit the like button. I will be back soon with new technology video. Till then, tata, bye bye.